Don't you feel good at the end of the day when you've had a power-packed work day and at the same time you've eaten like really well and healthy?
Definitely. These vegetables and the technique which it's cooked in, you can just never go wrong. You barely remember that you're getting all your ingredients in.
They're really healthy, easy to cook, and light on the stomach.
Right.
It's really important.
And give you all that extra energy to perform even better.
And it's going to be really simple and easy for you guys to cook this up on a lunch or a dinner too, you know, when
What
you come
would you
back.
call this? I think it's like a vegetable pot rice.
Pot rice, yeah, we're going to just saute the rice a little bit with some, a little bit of butter, garlic and pepper. And then on top of that, we're going to saute lots of vegetables and then heap all our vegetables on that rice.
And we have one of our most tasty ingredients, the water chestnut,
Really
along with,
crunchy,
of course, many other vegetables.
Really crunchy and very interesting taste about it.
Yes.
Okay, so why don't you help me out in cutting some of these vegetables, my dear?
So I have a carrot here, which I'm going to chop up. Yellow zucchini, I'll start there. And next I'll move on to the rest of them. Mushrooms,
I'll keep you occupied, my
chili,
dear.
bell pepper, broccoli.
While you do that, I'm gonna get this broccoli ready. As you can see, it's a really, really green broccoli. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break off nice little florets for myself, okay, over here. And I don't want them to be too big, otherwise it's not gonna be fun on my stir fry. I'm gonna take a knife over there, Natasha. You have a small knife?
There you have it.
Okay. Put a small knife here. I'm gonna cut them into nice shapes and forms over here. Okay, I got my broccoli all set. Start right here. Broccoli's looking good, very good, nice and green. I mean, you could just have steamed broccoli and garlic over rice. I mean, think about it.
Completely. Broccoli is so good for you. Everything green is good for you.
With a dash of fish sauce, maybe?
Absolutely, Nika.
Okay. What else you gonna cut for me, my dear? Maybe some mushroom?
Okay, let me just get these mushrooms nice and cut. I have some button mushrooms here. I'm gonna
Okay.
take a small handful of those.
And I'm gonna cut up some zucchini for myself. So here I got my zucchini. I want to get them into nice quarters, right? Perfect. So there's little cubes there, my dear.
Okay, I'm done over
Perfect
here.
little cubies. I'm going to do the other one too.
I think meanwhile, while you take your time chopping your favorite zucchini, I have a small knob of butter here. Throwing that in,
Good job.
getting it all around. You want to throw that
Rice in?
rice in? Go for
Yes,
it.
my dear.
Ooh, we have about a cup of cooked rice here. Day old, of course. Makes the best for recooking.
Toss action.
I can manage that.
Yeah, not bad at all. Natasha's got pretty good. Pretty darn good, my dear. You've done some good work there. So I'm going to just throw in a bit of salt in there.
Excellent.
A little pepper, my dear. You feel it nice and moist?
Nice
Maybe
and moist.
Little small knob of butter again.
Okay.
Let me give it one magical toss. Since I'm here, I just can't get my hands.
Wow, Nika.
Okay,
You're
we're
so
done.
talented.
So we put that into the pasta bowl.
Okay. We have our pasta bowl over here.